Honorable Justice Shri Sanjay Gowdaji, Shri Dinesh Ramegowdaji, Samsung Company, Shri Harish Bhai, President Gandhinagar University, Miss Vanita, Vice President Gandhinagar University, Dr. Kamlesh, Vice Chancellor Gandhinagar University, faculty members, students and proud parents, media friends. It gives me immense pleasure to join you on this momentous day. The convocation ceremony of Gandhinagar University, a temple of learning that truly reflects the spirit of knowledge, innovation and nation building. Today is not just a ceremony of conferring degrees. It is a celebration of effort, determination and transformation. Each graduate here represents the hope of a new India. Confident, capable and compassionate, Gandhinagar University, a beacon of excellence. Gandhinagar University has emerged as one of Gujarat's most dynamic and forward-looking institutions. Established in 2006 as Gandhinagar Institute of Technology and conferred the status of a state-private university in 2022, it stands today as a multidisciplinary, research-oriented, globally aware university, a place where tradition meets technology. With a vibrant community of more than 9,000 students from disciplines such as engineering, management, pharmacy, nursing, design, liberal arts and sciences, the university continues to uphold its legacy of excellence and innovation. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has always believed that education is the foundation of a developed India, a Vikasit Bharat. He envisions universities like this as the crucibles of innovation, entrepreneurship and character building. Through national missions such as Digital India, Skill India, Startup India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, the government is opening doors for youth to transform ideas into impact. Today, with India's demographic dividend and rapid technological growth, the world looks to our youth, to you, as the architects of the 21st century. The National Education Policy 2020 represents a historic reform. Aligning with this are the ethos of Gandhinagar University: flexibility, interdisciplinary, skill development and reach orientation. It encourages critical thinking, creativity and innovation, blending traditional Indian wisdoms with modern knowledge systems. The university's multidisciplinary model and its AI-driven infrastructure are perfect embodiments of the NEP's spirit, education that is holistic, futuristic and humanistic. As we embrace new technologies, let us remember the timeless teachings of two great sons of this sacred land, Mahatma Gandhiji and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Their lives remind us that the true strength of Indian education lies in its values: Satya, Ahimsa, Seva and Karuna, and an unwavering commitment to national unity. Education must shape not only skilled professionals, but responsible, compassionate human beings. We live in an age where artificial intelligence, data science, and automation are shaping the world. But as we advance, let us ensure that artificial intelligence is guided by human intelligence and that compassion remains the core of all creations. AI, robotics, and blockchain will redefine industries, but they cannot replace human creativity, ethics, and emotional intelligence. Your generation must master technology, yet remain masters of your values. The 21st century belongs to those who learn, unlearn, and relearn. Skills are the new wealth of nations. Through Skill India Mission, Prime Minister Kaushal Vikas Yojana, and National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme, the government is empowering youth to become globally employable. But beyond programs and policies, it is your mindset of lifelong learning that will keep you relevant. Keep upgrading, keep innovating, and stay connected to the evolving world. India today stands at a golden juncture. From semiconductors to space exploration, renewable energy to research, healthcare to AI, opportunities abound. Gandhinagar University has already positioned itself as an education capital of Gujarat and a hub for innovation and global collaboration. Your time to step forward is now to contribute, to lead and to transform India's destiny. Dear graduates, as you step into the world, carry with you three gifts that this university has given you: knowledge, skill and values. Use your knowledge to innovate, your skills to serve, and your values to inspire. Be confident, be compassionate, and above all, be curious. As Prime Minister Modi ji often says, India's youth is not just the new age, but the new power of the nation. You are that power. You are the face of Vikasit Bharat 2047. Let this be your pledge today to learn, to lead, and to uplift. Congratulations once again to all graduates and to Gandhinagar University for its outstanding contribution to education, innovation, and national progress. Last but not the least, I thank and congratulate all the parents without whom the students' achievement would have not been possible. Jai Hind.